Alright, we're at the point where we're gonna install the Weistec intake. This is the studs that came with. So basically you have to remove the old one. This is use 13mm dip sockets and preferably multi-point socket, that way you can actually catch. I tried the regular one, it didn't work, so that's why multi-point 13mm. Let's see, let's just continue with disassembling the filter box. Off camera already remove some of these because I'm in a time crunch. Alright, so we have a stainless steel and a carbon fiber partners. Not bad. Alright. How are you supposed to come out? Seriously? Like that. Alright, nice filter. Yeah. Alright. This. So it's supposed to go. Oh, okay. They supply you with this coupling here. Alright, you'll go from here. Yep. Alright, that's nice. I'm still retaining the O-ring here on the top, so okay. Let's see what number is that. Alright, this is 6mm. Okay, this should be good enough. Top brackets. Oh, we need to put some Teflon tape on this one. So the theory is the pressure sensors here that go in the other or the original airbox will be just simply mounted into this fitting here, and this will go into here basically. So that is the design they went with. So this goes like that. We want to make another turn, it should be good. Let's see. So I would like to hide maybe underneath. That will go here and on the back underneath. Okay, all right, that's good enough. Let's put this one on. Okay. Okay. Nice. I'm gonna go nowhere. Now, this one is gonna be a bit tricky, I guess. All right. This is tied down now. Everything is good. I'm about to make. So I took a. So I'm going to make the pressure switch here. This contraption actually is pretty nice. Supposed to just. Like that. There you go. All the way in. It's in. So very nice. You push in all the way and then turn. We put in these holes in here. Okay. Then I was told that we're gonna probably do something like that, and the pressure switch will be just left here to sit. Maybe I'm going to use a zip tie to hold it down for vibrations and things like that. So, okay. Nice. Now we're able to plug this in, click, and I'll find a way to zip tie it around. We're closing this.
This seems a little bit okay. That's it. Hopefully there's no air leaking through all this here. Because there'll be hot air coming in. Something that I don't like is that, well, actually let me check.
I don't know if this filter is supposed to be more out, because we need to actually, let's double check here. This is what I'm talking about. I think the filter is supposed to come out like so. Then the other one comes in, because right now, yep. Let's do that again. All right, so I've disconnected this. This has to plug in all the way in. This bracket is supposed to be all the way in, so I can pull through and see what this opening here. So something like that. So let's put it in all the way into these grooves here. Okay, it's all the way in. I can move this actually like that. Okay, seems about right. Trying to put this in here. Same time, keeping this out. All right, I think that's more like it. Yeah, definitely. Okay. All right, that's how it's going to be.
Okay. I've been at this project now day 3. Day 2 and 3 has been the longest. I have probably put in about 10 hours a day.
This will go here after I put in the rest. Okay. One here. Another one here. And the third one goes over here, but we have zero space where we can put in the top of the bolt to hold it in place. So I don't know about this design. Maybe we should have, kept with the original. Make sure the sensor is visible. Okay, and we're in here. Oh, there you go. I need to go okay, that's pretty good. We remove that. Not too much. A little bit goes a long way. There you go. I think it went all the way.
Go find something else to do.
Okay. And then the needs, we're going to do the same length, but right here. Okay, so I'm not going to use any zip ties. Okay, so this one, like that, push it all the way and turn to lock. Okay, in, clip, lock, just like that right here. This will be perfect. Again, if there's no leaks, everything goes fine the first time. I hope so. I pray to Zeus that it will.
I just wanted to finish with this so I can go and join my family and be done. I talked to my tuner. I believe if everything goes well okay today, we will be tuning tomorrow. So, that being said, things are moving along forward so far.
I still haven't tightened the charge pipe couplings over there, just because I want to see if I can find a way to get this space. I mean, it's even now, but maybe put it in further in. There's not much movement, so yeah. All right, I tightened the bolts for the charge pipe. This is as much space I can get now. It's about 2 millimeters or so. Hopefully that's okay. I'm gonna run it up to temperature now. No apparent leaks yet. Knock on wood, nothing more. Alright, this is the finished results. After I put in these inlets, they do fit fairly well in here and in here, but when I try to push them in, it's, as you can see, here you go, they're a little bit too small and the plastic is buckling actually. That is not good. So I've temporarily just put these screws in here. This side is a little bit better, but this one is, yeah, it's always something. Probably there will be other revisions of this product, but if Weistec sees that, yeah, that's a problem.